Mm.
I don't. That can be it too. I don't like that. Like, if I'm in a car and you have the air conditioner on, I'm gonna have people on my door. It's
The VIX is dropping a lot. That's interesting. That's
cool.
bullish. The VIX is dropping a lot. That's bullish, I guess. But the gap is to the upside, so we could get a gap fill because we just filled this gap from yesterday just now as we took the highs on ES. Not on NQ though. But what I don't understand is why this big drop happened and we didn't run at all on NQ. So it's kind of interesting. If news today, I got FOMC minutes. Should we do it too? Holy shit, bro. I'm trying to be here all day long. Hmm? I don't know. The air's always on over here, so my body gets kind of irritated.
You like
I think I need some fresh air, bro.
that making fun of me. Oh my god.
I'm making fun of you? Mm, I'm serious. I'm serious. Really? Oh, okay. I didn't even see this. This is bullish. This is really bullish. Yeah. Mm.
Oh my god. You're like ages, bro. Wake up. Get up and shape or something. Oh, damn.
Look at that run today.
I thought I was on my account earlier and played the trade, and then I just let it do what it was gonna do, even though I felt like it was gonna be a loser. But I don't do this one to the trade, so that's not bad. I think it is something. So I'm already down in the bed.
It's at 10:30 and 10. 1030 and 10. Yeah, bear systems as well. Shit. Mm. 120 points on a 231.8 TR. You are indeed consolidating. Win rate is low, so I had to understand that. So my win rate is low, so I had to know that. Like, I had to understand my win rate is low and not like act like my win rate is high. But my risk reward is high. Huh? You don't say it again?
Like, so what does that mean? That affect the way you trade?
What are you asking?
I'm trying to figure out what you mean.
What
But
do I
like, oh, you're like, okay, see what you just said. You're like, your win rate is low.
my risk reward is high. My risk reward is high.
I understand, but I'm trying to figure out how.
You don't get it?
I'm trying to. Hold on.
Risk reward
Risk
is
reward,
how much you make versus
I
how
know what
much
that
you.
is. No, no, no. I know what that is.
Yeah.
But I'm trying to figure out why does the two, how do the two connect that it matters?
Because when trading, my risk reward so my win rate is low, meaning that I don't win a lot, but when I win big. So I have to I have to trade as if like my win rate is low instead of trading as if my win rate is high. You have a high win rate, so you when you trade, you're 50% win rate. That's really good, you know. But when I trade, my win rate is like in the ground. So I have to make sure I have to use my practice account very very closely. You know what I'm saying? I have to use my practice account a lot and understand that hey, my win rate is low. So I'm really need to I need to make sure that I'm on side before I start taking trades. And I think I don't mind doing that. We're not trying to break this high on NQ.
Oh,
Hello. Hope you understand what I'm
what
saying.
about the open? Uh,
It's okay. It's like literally okay.
no, I'm trying to, but it's like I don't.
It's okay.
Maybe because I don't really be looking at the stats.
We can talk about it later.
You on that practice account now? I guess that's all that matters.
Yeah. We might take that high. So my thing is, oh, because we went up all morning. I think this is the bullish trend that I'm looking for, the breakout. So I want to see it continue, and then buy side is at 02. The other one is at 27, and the last one is at 101 for the swing high there. So we don't have the ATR. It's a bit outside the ATR, but we'll see. We're about to open here in a minute. Yeah, it's at 903, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, but I think we're bullish. We just took the high. No more bearish SMT. So I think we're running here. Mm.
Equal high, but 6 or 06.
Is that the open? No. It's open there. To go to. Did not take it on ES. This is the one I was looking for, I guess. What points is this? It's 46 points. It's not bad. Any gap, I'll take it to the upside. Any gap, I'll take it to the upside. This gap here, it's about to be created. Time 35. Here we go. How big is this gap? 17. 17 times 2 is 34. 34. Yeah, 34. 34 times 10 is 300. I probably gotta do like half. Practice time. Yes, it's on the run here. I'll give us the touch. That's the thing. $700. Wow. 800. Wow. I know it's because we haven't. Let's see what happens when we get back in. Look at that. It's coming down like that. Let's see what happens when we get back into this level. If we get to 1K orders. If we get to 1K orders, I'm starting my practice. Actually, I'm not.
That we're in right now. We pop outside of it.
4 hour gap. Let's take that higher.
We got a 4-hour break stretch for a 50 minutes. Wait, my ADX is in a caution area.
1K orders to buy there. Yep, this is strong. Right off the open. Makes sense. We're running all morning. And then we drop OC on the VIX. This is also showing strength as well, but there's no entry, so no entry, no trade. Use a 10, use a 10. Look at this. 1K orders to buy right off the open. No sellers at all here. Wait for it. It's gonna be an entry. Let's see. So this gap here is 2.4. An entry. That's about to be. This is about to be another 3 1K orders. Let's see. Let's see. That's strong. There's nothing I can do. But it's gonna take the high again. That's 900. Here we go. 3 more 1K orders. So we have 6 1K orders right off the open. That's crazy. That's strong. You know what you're doing. It's gone. What the heck? Took the high. Next one's 101. It's no entry, no trade. I can't take it. Yes. I mean, I could do a lower time frame one. Could have did that, but it's just not worth the risk. Once it runs like that, it's like there's so much freaking possibilities that could happen. So many possibilities. It's 5. It's a new 5, yeah. With projection. Bro, this is about to be another. Hold on, here goes a 1 minute gap here. I don't like that one though. But I think ooh. 3 1K. Whoa, I might get that. Price. That's 3. 3 times 10, 30, 30 bucks. That's worth it, bro. It taps it. Holy, how many 1K orders is this? If it taps it, I'm totally getting in on that. Look at these. Maybe the next 5 we tap in. That, bro. Look how many 1K orders this is. Not gonna tap it. Okay. Support it with strength. No entry. I don't have an entry model. I can't like assimilate my risk, so it's just not my trade. It's literally nothing I can do about it. If there's no entry, I don't know where to put my stop. I don't know where to put my like take. Like I'm just blindly going in. No plan. Oof. Sellers at the top there. For the first time. Can we get the push down?
Maybe it's at 58, so we're in caution mode. So it's either gonna pull back or try to reverse. Don't work.
1,000%. That 1 minute gap, I'm 1,000% getting. Look at how many 1K orders this is. If I could really get this 1 minute gap here, 1,000% I'm getting in. 1,000,000%. I want to get in now. There's just no model, bro. 2 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, nothing. Lower time frame. I don't like the lower time frame, man. Let me see the 30-second. I don't know, nothing there either. Where we go?
Yeah, I'm just watching. So now my 88 is a 60. I don't get it now. I think it's gonna wait.
We're accepting price higher. There's like at least 1,000,000 1K orders right here. Like, this is not a joke. This is not like a drill. This is bullish. Oh, I just don't have. I just don't have the. I just don't have it. I,
If anybody get it right now, it's clear FOMO. Like, just think about it. How bullish we are, we have to pull.
I don't. To me, it's not fun.
It's gonna pull back. But have a new, gotta have a new 4 hour candle. It has to create a bottom of that 4 hour candle. It's gonna cool down.
The only reason I haven't gotten in this is because I don't have a model. That's the only reason. FOMO, not FOMO, it's not. It's literally supported by volume. Look at. Let me show you. This is what I'm talking about right here. Well, I think I'm gonna add this to my arsenal as well. Like, I've seen this too many times. Look at how many 1K orders this is. Off the open. 1, 2, 3, 4. Look at this. 1K orders to buy. Look at all these 1K orders. That is a lot of 1K orders. That means like the trend is in one direction. So when I see stuff like that, it can cool down, but you can see that the demand is strong. And so it could cool down, it could do a reverse, it could do whatever, but like you can see that the direction is to one side. Usually it's like 800, 700, but when you start seeing 1K, that's like, oh, okay, like okay, now uh that is not an entry. That is not an entry. I gotta wait. That's point of control though. Tapped it. I can't. Need 5. Oh,
We're getting close to that 59, which is a 4 hour break. I want to see this 4 hour candle close above the 4 hour break. And then if it does a retest, yeah, I'm gonna get in for a buy. If it does that, because 4 hour breaks they're high.
Sellers at the top there.
3 minutes left on the 15-minute candle. And a new 4 hour candle.
There's a new. There's almost a 5 minute gap here. Oof, this could be it. This could be it. Volume isn't a signal, it's a confirmation. Like if a trend is going, if something's going higher with volume, that's good. That's a good sign that okay, yeah, like you're on side. But if it's not going up with volume, then that's a bad sign. It was going up with 1K orders, so it's like okay, now it's like shorting this will be kind of stupid. Still no entry. Whatever. There's a 5 minute gap there. How big is this? 10 times 2, 20, 20 times 20 is 400.
You see, one of my girls thing was like, I was thinking to catch continuation of the 4 hour. The 4 hour equal high to taking out. Equal high. But I just see a 4 hour break of structure. There we go. Just see it. Hold it. It still got. I still got 16 minutes. Let's see if it closes above this 4 hour break.
What 4 hour break?
4 hour body break. If it break that and hold it, and then do a retest with the 10 o'clock candle, I'm gonna get in that for about.
See, my thing is now we're not getting volume anymore. Like the volume is not at the highs anymore. Clearly, like we had 1K orders at the top. Now we're not getting that. We're getting like sellers, so it's getting weaker as we go higher. So I don't know.
See that?
But like literally off the open, 1K, 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 all these 1K orders to buy. So I'm not. I don't think buyers are gonna. I think sellers eventually. We're gonna get the pullback. Basically, we're gonna get the
Oh
pull.
yeah. I literally my ADX is telling me that, and then on top of that, I'm just like logically speaking, like I'm about to have a new 4 hour candle, and that new 4 hour candle, it has to create a bottom of the candle, and then if it doesn't, like I'm not even looking for buys unless it can hold 59. The 4 hour candle has to hold above, it has to close above 59 for me. If it rejects it, then that's a it's just rejected, and I'm not even looking for buys anymore.
U15, U5 coming up right here. 30 seconds. That 5 minute gap is interesting to me. You get in there, I might look for the entry long. Looks like I want to type it. That's within the area of 1Ks. What? 15, 5. No absolute way, right? No absolute way. Right. You probably got that. I take buy side there. Like, where would I put my stop? Let's be realistic. Like, where would I put my stop? You know, I don't think I do it, but there's just not much I can do about it. So I'm in a gap here, but it's already too big and ugly. We might not even get it. 14, 14, what was it? 28 times 280. Oh, it's almost $300. Tap that woman gap, I dare you. What's this? I dare you. Was that 4, 2, 4, 8? 8 times 8 times 20. 60. Yeah, let's do it. Tap it, I dare you. Tap it, I dare you. I literally dare you do it. Right on the tape. Come on. Here we go. Tapped it.
Order rejected.
What?
Order rejected.
Oh.
Order filled.
Ah. Ah.
Wait, what happened?
Ah. Ah. Wow. I had a limit set for only 10 contracts to trade. So then when I tried putting in with size because I was using correct risk, like I had a tight stop. I was like, okay, we put more risk on this trade. Why not? It rejected me and I missed my freaking entry by a million points. Holy. Still not bad, but golly, man. All right, we better take that high there 101. That's so unfortunate. I could have been in with this with size. Tight stop. No issue. Why am I doing that? Like, it's just only when I do dumb stuff. That's why it's annoying. I start using size when I'm not supposed to be using size on a trade where I have a large stop. Like, almost tapped it. the 1K orders to buy up at the highest? Am I confused?
AX to 78.
That 78 is crazy. I never heard of it before.
And that's how I know, like, I'm not even. Listen, go ahead and go take out them 4 hour little highs, homie. Like, go ahead. You already there. Go take them out. Let's see what you do after that. So she's about to see how committed this little NQ trade is.
I have my TP there. Oh well. That just blew me. Like I literally just gave up my entry.
Might as well.
Stop plus or TP, bro. Holy like. Doesn't matter.
It's about to curl down a little bit.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Square.
Like that. I was made a whole bunch of price for it. So I'm gonna get you that. Yeah. It's a little bit more.
Square. Square. 6. Okay.
And when a retake takes up its over like that. That's okay.
What? Huh? Yeah.
Okay, it broke it and retested it. That was the equal high.
Mm, okay.
Look at the 88.
It's all the way at the highs. Well,
Like if it tries to break this, I'm probably gonna see like on a higher time frame, like where a nice little fair value gap is. Like yeah. Even on the 15-minute, it's going into caution. Better have a new form again. So I got 2 minutes to go ahead and sweep that liquidity and then show me what it's gonna do.
Order filled.
yeah. All those 1K orders disappeared.
I just take it to go take that out. I just want to take it so I can see both sides working again.
This is a joke, right? Oh, it's the joke. It's the joke. It's all because of my entry was so garbage.
4 minutes. I mean 4 hours.
Bro, Erica, I'm about to. Oh my god.
Huh?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
What?
Stop me out by a second. It went to my TP. And this is only because I got a bad entry. Oh my freaking god. This is only because I got a bad entry. It's only because I got a bad entry. Only. Literally only because I got a bad entry. My entry was supposed to have been this fair value gap. And I was trying to. But then I was like. Trying to enter. It said order rejected. I would have put my stop. I didn't want to.
Like, so that one's missed. So what now? What do you want to see now?
It's unfortunate. That's my target. Hold on. We got our. It's not that much volume at the top here, so I don't know.
So we got news.
10:30 as well. That's unfortunate. Tapped the 5 minute and ran up 33 points, which makes sense. So unfortunate, bro. Where's my stop for it? Need to even get stopped out like that. Wow. Yeah, I don't think we have that much volume here. At these highs, right? Ooh, 700 to buy. What the heck? 700. So there's a little fight here going on.
Yeah, I've seen a lot of people in chat was like, oh, when they break the 4 hour highs, I'm gonna get in for a buy, and I'm just like,
I get into it.
then
It's
I'm
bearish
just gonna
too.
sit my ass here. I don't know if I think that's what all retail is thinking. I don't know. Like, I just feel like that's wrong. I'm just gonna sit here. I don't know. I'm okay with not even taking a trade anymore. That's how I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling very calm, even though I'm down $114 in the day.
3, 1K, 4, 1K. There we go. I'm about to shoot somebody, and then that person might be you, bro. Holy shit! Like, what is going on? Why? Why is it that? Okay, 10 times 2, 20, 20. That's 400. You get enough, right?
That threat's over here. I don't know what's wrong right now. I want to see some type of pullback. I'm sorry, but I do. That's what I'm looking for. I need to have a pullback, and I want a nice pullback, not one of the little, like I'm about to go in a 30-minute and analyze some shit because, yeah, I want to see a pullback. Good. So simple. I don't care if it comes in a PM session, but it's like we didn't ran so much. Where's the exhaustion? That's what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for the exhaust itself for a little bit because maybe it's like sprinting. When you're running, you get tired. You need to get a breath. And we've been running. And yeah. This forward candle might give it to me though. We'll go back under 101. See how that will be.
Type the home in the gap. Type the 50%.
A lot of 15 minutes for everybody. Definitely.
E5 coming up.
Order filled.
Get in there. I guess not the whole.
I'm gonna put value gap on the 5,000 too. My ADS is at 69 now. We're dropping down.
Looks a bit heavy. Won't lie to you. E5.
Order filled.
Yeah. After taking buy side, makes sense, but seeing all these 1K orders to buy, like, these rookie mistakes, man. Holy. Points. Oh, I'm tired, bro. Stopping me up by hair and going. I'm tired. Just tired, bro. Stop
Teddy
me.
should lose his life again. Yes. I don't know where you keep putting your pen, but he keeps getting it. He went and sat down. I'm like, he's funny. I go over there. He's chewing on your pen, but luckily he had the rubber on it, so he's got the rubber off. So I set it up there. Your apple.
How am I missing these trades, bro? It dropped down hard. Why am I buying with the and then this tap that gap? That was the easiest buy ever. It's like 4 minute gap. Pay attention. Holy crap. Pay attention to this. This is what I'm saying. Like this woman that got was literally right here.
She did to him. Don't leave him ever again. It was the tip at the back. Nope, the back. Yeah. And that's the second time. Boyfriend. You're going back to sleep? Look, is my hands cold? I know. Mm-hmm. So if you would have told me he couldn't do that, I would have told you it's rotocup. My mom had rotocup surgery twice.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. We didn't make a retest at 89. We're trying to retest it now. Or we decided we literally ran up something. We ran up into the 4 hour highs, and now I'm just waiting for it to.
Is this all time highs?
Yes.
Oh my god, bro. Why wouldn't it be acting like this, bro? What the heck?
They sure charged me.
I'm tired.
I'll try one more time and then cancel. Let me see if we can fix everything. With that. Shit, don't wire it, don't think about it. At this point, the way that I'm looking at this, you'll be crabby all day. Yeah, because I have my choice too. I said, like, you won't be up on these. I can see her saying it just like that. So 88 just came out of question area. It's at 49. Okay, so how? I'm trying to. Can you say off like off the top of your head how does the market move when it's FOMC meeting?
It's, I mean, like, it's not two, so it's like clearly it's moving.
Right, I'm like, is it volatile? Do you think it's volatile?
I think what?
You think it's volatile? Like, is it volatile? Like, is it that it's moving like nicely during the time, or is it for chopping, or is it just like,
You said doesn't normally chop
meeting?
during FOMC
Yeah,
before FOMC
like
minutes?
during a meeting. Yeah.
Not right now.
No, the meeting is at one.
At two. Yeah.
Is it? It's one. Okay, so when I look at my things, it tells me my time. Right.
What are you asking?
I'm just trying to get a feel. I'm trying to get a feel. Okay, I'm down $114. I've been down until $114 in all the time. In my mind, I'm thinking, should I just be content with that for time?
Uh-huh.
Yes, well, I am not. I put on like a little donkey show for Teddy because Teddy was crying the whole time. So I put on some like-minded little fur babies for him. You can change it. I'm literally it. I'm waiting for a break. I want to see that. I want to see a break things.
Actually, bro, didn't get filled because of my bullshit. Stupid, crazy, dirty, ugly, nasty.
Um, I don't see it. Like, I think I just thought I'm coming down some. What are you looking for? Like, what is your next play look like for you? Like, what do you want to see?
The 15-minute gap is about to be any 15-minute candle, so I want to see how it responds to that 15-minute gap there. And then I'll see it continue. Next time it pauses, I'm taking profit. Okay, or it's a buy even all the way up here. It's all buyers literally. Just accumulate. 15.
15. Which happens to like overlap that 4 hours.
Well, I think selling is crazy. I mean, I respect it. Like it's like you're doing you want to pull back, but I think waiting for the buy is gonna be more fruitful.
Well, we just took liquidity. So my mind is like, okay, we took it and we're consolidating here, which I see that. And that's why it's like the way it's creating this little crown. We all know I love my crowns. The way it's creating this crown, the base of the crown is in between 75 and 76. So if it breaks and then retest that, I'm only looking for like a 30-point scalp. That's not, it's nothing too major. And we got a lot of 15-minute fair value that's beneath us. So I do want to see it. And this 4 hour, like, look at it. Just look at it in 4 hour. Like, it took it, and it's like, oh,
Okay, orders packing up there at the holy packing
I
up there
mean,
at point of control. I just need my entry, bro. So it's my entry. I'm buying that 1,000,000%. I don't know where my stop will be. Stop. Where my stop would be, bro? 12-point stop. Thank God. 12-point stop. What am I doing? 15? Oh my God! Please, God, I'm begging you. Hold on, give me a second. Holy man. I don't even know if this is it, but 15, 30, 15 times 2 is what? 30 times. It's a lot. That's a big stop. It's worth it though. It's in this gap. I'm buying that 1,000,000%. 1,000,000,000,000%. Coming, I dare you. 1K order stacking there at point of control, and it's still going lower. No worries, I got you. Still dark. Just drop a little bit more. I promise you, I'm buying it. Keep up green. 1.4K orders. Please don't miss me, bro. E5 coming up. That has to give me my entry. Early this morning. There we go. For the tap. Tapped it. Watching. E5 coming up. I buy an E5. Watching. Watching. Red. Yes. Yes. About that. Fuck it. Tapped the midline of it. Excuse me? What's about that?
we are currently experiencing an issue. But what you say, Papa? Didn't even go on. Go read what you talking about.
E5. It's a beautiful entry. My stop. I want my stops to be at this low here, so that's where it's gonna be.
Oh,
64.
they're having. Oh,
Adadas.
72.75 area.
Adadas. 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 64.
I don't want to see it close, and he's 75.
54.
Oh, never mind, because you're 5.
What that mean?
You don't want to, like, wish to face you.
You can do whatever you want. Okay.
I mean, I don't want to, like, speak it into existence until you get what you're looking for. I feel like that's rude.
This is, bro. This is trading, bro. This game,
I feel like it's rude.
we're literally taking advantage of other traders. Like that's literally what we're doing. Like taking advantage of people that are wrong and whatnot. I'm 1,000,000% behind. I don't care.
We're stuck in between 76 and 75. It's like I just want you to. I just want you to close beneath there and give me a reason. That's it. That's the major.
Anyway, I'm about to just about play chess.
Are you gonna talk about my you?
What happened? What happened?
You say you play chess. Are you going to talk about your chess moves in my ear?
I don't know. If I felt it. What is this? This was a bad move. That was a terrible move. What type of move is this? What is this? What type of move is this? What is this? Tasmanian Devil. How are you gonna protect all your pieces? Let me know. Let me know now. Use at 10:30. So there's that.
What did you say about that?
I can't hear you.
I said I said that a minute ago, and then I forgot that quickly. That's crazy.
Oh, you're cooked. Here, here. Wait. This is mate in one. Oh, beautiful. Get my night out the way now.
Order filled.
Oh shit. I don't do nothing I'm supposed to do. I'm supposed to fucking do because that's fine. And I promise you, if I have to go down here to this midline in 15 minutes, I don't know. It's fine. I'm sure. I'm good. We have to finish off this play for it to be a mess play. We just tapped into an imbalance on the 15-minute with a candle imbalance. Tap into that, pass through it. Check mark. Well, if you looked it up and it was green, then why you asking me? You already did the work. You did your research already. We broke back below the 4-hour break at this time. Damn, I'm sorry I missed that play and I called that play and I wanted that play and it literally broke it and everything, bro. It broke it and retested it. I don't think you understand how mad I am at myself.
Took all time highs and rejected. Nice.
Baby, can you turn my dogs off, please? Thank you. Can you hear me probably on there? Maybe you can hear me call.
Golly, we're melting. The heck?
Can you hear me?
You talking to me?
I am. I've been talking to you for my time. I didn't call your name.
Well, you talk to everyone, so I don't know.
But I called your name.
I didn't hear you calling her.
Multiple times. And it's so funny too, because I was feeling a little FOMO, a little tilty, and I was calling your name to try to have you snapping out of it. Maybe I can turn it down a little bit more. It's still too loud, right? A little bit more. Thank you. Dang, nobody said that far. Whoa, they're going crazy over there. Actually, I told you you could stop when it was like at 17. but you just decided to keep going. Like at like almost 30.
Oh, what the freak, bro? That's outside the ATR. Ugh.
So it gave me my entry multiple times and I didn't take it. And I was just telling you, I was like, okay, my TV, I want to see it go down to the midline of the 15-minute Barriga beneath us, which is right in like the midline is at the midline of the 4-hour Barriga. That would be the TV. It just went there without me. I just watched it. Even though it gave me 3 times to get in because it broke 75.
Why didn't you
And
get on your
retested it 3 times.
Why didn't you get on your practice?
Now I'm feeling like I'm not feeling bummer right now. I'm feeling very sad
Oh,
because I was calling Sale and I literally mapped this shit out and I just watched it do it. Like I was just stuck. I just watched it go. My leaves are different colors. I think they're your mom. Now we're on the bottom of the floor for value down. We fell out of it, tapped it, rejected, went back into it at the midline. About to tap the midline in 15 minutes. It looked like an inverse on the 5,050, even though the 5 to 15 minutes. I don't know about this, because I want to get a spell. And I want to get a spell down. Down. That's another 4 hour. So now you got to do me something. Right there. Yesterday's closed. Oh my gosh. I just get so off. I promise you this will not be it. I'm about to be on the walk my account. That's it because we're halfway to the damn yesterday's post. Give me a minute. I need a minute.
okay, what is the song? Okay, orders to sell, bro.
We're inside of that other floor for value up. I just called and we literally
It's the craziest market I've ever seen. The tape is running like so fast.
I just took it on my practice account and my practice account is up like almost $400 and oh my god. I'm just gonna go. Okay. I gotta fight this. I'm having like a photo equal. Okay. really good inside, but just don't go this close. Okay, come on. Ava, are you hungry? I need hungry.
Let me hold you.
Don't fight. Okay, so I'm about to make Marley an egg and cheese breakfast sandwich. Do you want it like that, or do you want to scramble eggs? Or do you want it as a sandwich? You want it as a sandwich? Sandwich. You want the scramble, or you want it like a flat fried egg? I'm gonna make Marley's first. And you sending put your eggs like that, or you want your eggs a different way? That work?
Any choice? Plain.
He only give me one word response because I didn't even say he was going to shoot me. The audacity.
I was just joking.
I know you was. I know why you can be serious. I'm like the one of your favorite people in the world.
Who told you that?
Ray told me that. Denying it? Hmm? I'm gonna find out.
Nah, hold on.
I'm heading to me. Touch the mail on about 4 hours while you that, and you have a hospital. I'm gonna do it. Clean it and then put the beans on. The beans have to go on in the morning, but they won't be ready for them. You know that. That's why I always tell you to tell me the day before if you want tacos. So that everything can stay on me. Okay. All right, Ava, like this. With the egg, the cheese, it's gonna be a sandwich. You want that? Yeah, the cheese. Understand? Do what I was saying. I'll put it on destroy yours. Trash. And then we pull back. Then my stop should be at 966. It could be higher.
I don't know. I literally don't know what type of trade you're in.
I'm gonna sell.
I don't
Sell my practice account because it was already too far gone, so I just got it into my practice account. Um,
God, bro. What does everybody want?
you what?
Bro.
I have not done groceries. You just drank like your tea yesterday.
All-time highs, bro.
We are breaking the other 4 hour break at 9:33. So yeah, it can go ahead and go inside that 4 hour fair value gap, which is right in the middle. Like it's a 4 hour fair value gap, and yesterday's close is in the middle with it. That's a strong draw. Let me go for a lower time frame. See if I can find me a good spot. Rejecting that 4 hour break is crazy. Like it just did a reset on a 4 hour. It's gonna completely go lower. Might be holding. That might be our reset on 4 hour. So we had okay, so at 9:33 we had our 4 hour body highs, and we broke it with our 6 a.m. candle, and then this candle just went with a recess of it. said, can we go to weather? I have to check the weather because the weather is saying cloudiness with a chance of thunderstorms. It's been raining all week, so I would have to check. If if we have a break in the rain, I would take y'all. I'll twist my hair back up, and I'll take that photo because my hair ain't working right now anyway. It was a mess. Like all over the place. Hey, how are you doing filming and everything over there?
I don't know if you're talking. I literally don't know if you're talking to me or not. You talk to everybody in the house, and then you talk to, which is obviously fine, but you talk to everyone, and then I can barely hear you at the same time. So I don't know if you're talking to me or not. So it's just hard. It's hard out here. No.
I'm talking to you.
Okay, what's up?
How are you feeling?
I'm just playing chess. That's all. Fine. The freak?
I'm supposed to let you play a chess. You're so quiet.
Huh?
You're quiet.
Yeah, because I'm playing chess. I'm trying to think.
Right. So I don't know if you're playing chess. I just know you're quiet. And
Not all the time.
the times that I do it, and I like to hear you play chess. So
Oh man, this is so bad. Take, I dare you. Oh wait, I missed that. That's so sad. I completely missed that. That's okay.
I thought we was doing a 4 hour break and recess, but we're right back almost close to that recess line at 9:33. And we still haven't took yesterday's close, but it was looking like it would be checking hard off that 9:33, which is a 4 hour. But it broke the other 4 hour that was at 9:64. The body, it broke it, the up body.
Hmm.
But this one where we're at right now, we had two 4 hour up candles bodies, and they were at 9:33. And then we finally broke it at on our 6 a.m. 4 hour candle, and this candle is literally just rebalancing that whole damn candle.
Yep.
I don't know if you're looking at it, but
I'm seeing it.
I think everybody can take yesterday's stuff.
Yeah.
So I think so, baby. Let's see. I thought I was on my combine for a second, me jumping into a cell. I'm like, this is too close. I had to double check. Make sure I was in the box.
do I do? It's pinned. I could have applied pressure to the pin piece. No, but then he's blocking me with this queen. So if I did that, take, no, I wouldn't have done anything. Yep, that's you. Then that's you. What did I just do? Into you. I can go here, right? Oh, that's not good. I'm not winning games. I'm just getting lucky. doing, bro? What is this? And if she moves tonight, that's GG, bro. Holy. Wait, no, that's free. Ugh. Neck. Damn it. Wait, 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 wait. No. Damn it. So bad at this game. Holy moly. Like, there, takes. That's not it. Yeah, that's not it. Tired. Just tired. That's all. Oh, bro. Like, this book is hanging. Everything is hanging, 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 hanging. There. No, no, no. Where's the piece? Like, where's the win? I can't find it. I'm about to resign. Oh, oh. Uh, cool. Cool. Wow. Wow. Like I could have checkmated me easily. Missed the checkmate. Missed another one. Cool. How does oh these nasty dirty openings like trading queens and stuff? Who does this?
Okay, so because I don't know if that counts. Okay, so on a 15-minute, does that count as a busy?
What?
Or is that just a complete rebalance of the move? I feel like it's a rebalance, but then I feel like it's a busy in there on the 15 minute.
What about it? What about the 15 minute?
Okay, so does that categorize as a busy, or is that just a move rebalance?
Does what categorize as a
Okay,
busy?
so we had that whole move up. We mimicked the move down, and
Yes.
now this 15 minute candle pushing up. But I'm trying to think in my head. Okay, is this a busy? So if it's a busy, I want to see it reject in this 15 minute fair value gap.
A busy is just the fair value gap.
Right, but isn't it because it mimics on the other side?
Huh?
That's what turns it into it, right? Okay, so a fair value gap and a busy, how I look at it
It's
is
the same thing.
come on. But to me, they're not. Okay, so something come on. Okay, so a busy is when a up candle is making a fair value gap, yes. But if we mimic that same candle going to the downside, that creates a busy, which is a buy side, sell side efficiency.
It's not. Okay, well, it's
And
a fair value gap is just a fair value gap that's a bullish fair value gap is a busy and a bearish fair value gap is a busy or CB.
see, I don't maybe it's just something different. Like I thought that fair value gap is when you just have one candle that stands alone, but when it mimics as a down candle and up candle, that's when it becomes.
So it's just a balanced price range. I mean, when something goes up and goes all the way down like that, but then it has to go back up again, then it'll be a balanced price range.
But I feel like, okay, so I don't even know if this might even change my train of thought. Like, that's the crazy thing, because I always just seen it like that, and when I see, okay, so like in my mind, it'd be like when I see a 50 or a 50, how I interpret it in my mind is like a slope. But fair value gaps ain't like that. But if a fair value gap do it with one candle, then that's just like, oh, if it like does a up candle and it creates fair value gap and then it completely inverses it and then completely taps into it, and that's the inverse of a fair value gap. But when it's like, I, in my mind, when the candles mimic each other on opposite ends, it creates this snake formation. And I only see them when in my mind I be thinking it's a busy or city, but that's when I see the snake formation.
So what do you when you see that formation? What does that mean?
Okay, so when it's a busy, in my mind, what category is busy? I want to see the busy when it's going to come up and touch the middle of the busy and then go to reject it, which is that snake formation. And then when it's a city, I want to see it do it from the top. When it goes to the top and then it comes back, tap into it, then reject it.
Okay. I don't know that pattern.
It only goes to
And no, it makes sense. I just don't know the pattern.
I showed you that last week. It was a yesterday. Like, oh, it's creating like these 50s. I literally, like, it has to be the same panel on the opposite side, the same exact
This is a fair value.
side is what categorizes it for me, which is not the same as a fair value gap. It is in a sense of the gap, but the categorization of the type of gap. Because in my mind,
Busy is a fair like if you're gonna use the word busy, busy is just a bullish fair value gap. A buy side balance, sell side inefficiency, and that's just
right, so buy side, sell side, like together to mimic.
a buy side imbalance, but it's lacking sell side. It's inefficient in sell side, so it just means it goes up.
But when it's complete, it's the down handle
That's called a balanced
that's
price range.
mimic, right?
That's just called a balanced price range.
Here, but it's so radically because I feel like that shit changed my mind. Like, I don't know. Like, when I see that, when I see this pattern, my mind just says it's that. Now that I'm learning and learning something else.
You can do whatever you want. I'm just telling you what. Yeah, you said Sibby, Bissy, all this stuff. So if you're saying these words, if you're saying these words, then I'm a